So welcome back to Worthington Model Railway, and please don't accuse me of not stealing a good idea. Chickens. So Charlie at Chadwick a few weeks ago installed some chickens, and I was quite taken with them. Went online and found them. I had to order them from Germany. They took maybe about a month to get here. But anyway, they've arrived, and so we're going to get them installed. So I haven't decided where I want to put them, and making sure that there's nothing underneath where I want to put them, which is why they're going somewhere around here, because over here I have, actually, you know what, I can put them over here. I think that's going to work. So let's drill a hole. Okay, we'll clean that mess up. I made a hole. This just slots through. The wires go through. It slots down. There's a little thing here to put on the bottom to catch it together, so I'll put that on, and then we'll wire it up and see what it does. So another one of my little push buttons, and the chickens start moving. Let me zoom in on the chickens. And there's the chickens. So all I need to do now is put some scatter around this and kind of disguise it a little bit, so it just looks like chickens in the field. Let's see how we can do that. So I used some spray adhesive, get from the dollar store, and some blended turf scatter, and let's take a look. And there's my chickens. Yeah, another fun little thing. So I suppose I need to build a little hen house to go there. I'm sure I can scratch build something. Well, I'll try to do that another day. So there we are. I found a little shed with a broken window, broken door, so makes a little chicken coop. I think that'll work quite well right there. Chickens on. So I'm pleased with that. Short little video, effective little device. It just adds something else to the layout, something else to move around, another button to press. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe button to the top right, another video to the top left.